Okay, so I thought I'd do the intro inside the car because it's freezing out there. It's like 2 degrees, something crazy like that. So yeah, basically today we're actually doing something different. We're having someone come down to the channel. It's gonna be our first feature, and I've got a special one. It's a stage 3 Polo GTI. The owner should be coming down soon. We'll show you the car. It's gonna be crazy. It's some full stage 3 build he's done. It's some crazy stuff. But yeah, first feature. Let's see how it goes. Hopefully it's good. I'm sure it will be. It's gonna be some crazy car. But yeah. I'll jump to when he arrives and I'll show you guys the Polo. Awkward part, man. I guess yeah, we're in the stage 3 Polo GTI. This is Nim. Go on, introduce yourself. Okay, you know what, you might as well talk us through the car then. What's the... Come on, let's get your mod list up.
So just the car itself, the spec of it is basically got sunroof, climate control, heated seats, leather door cards, cruise control, and auto dimming rear view. Yeah, that's just from the factory, like the spec of it.
I've never heard of a Mark 4 coming with them. So that's already crazy.
So that's just the car itself when it came from the factory. And then obviously interior wise, it's got the Vision 30 steering wheel.
Okay, yeah.
The turbo timer, so when you turn the key off, and then it'll just keep running
stays on
until it obviously cools down. And then Apple CarPlay.
Okay, yeah.
That's interior wise what it's got anyway.
Yeah.
And then exterior, you got the cop bumper, so the front bumper has been changed around, and then you've got the magnet plates on there.
Okay,
so
yeah.
Plate off, on and off, whatever.
Yeah.
The bonnet vents, 6R style rear tail lights, rear wiper delete, and KW suspension, and front and rear anti-roll bar as well.
So it's basically got everything on this.
Basically, whatever needs to be done to it, that was done to it, and then the brakes as well.
Okay, yeah.
Then modification wise for speed and whatnot, you got a track slag down pipe, which is 3.5 inch, starts off and then it tapers down into 2.5 I think it is.
Okay, yeah.
And then that links onto a Miltech exhaust system all the way from the back. Then you've got a ported and polished turbo manifold.
Okay, yeah.
Just helps it breathe a little bit better. Then you've got a Lipco 280 turbo, good for around about 340, 360.
So that turbo, is it would you say it's a KO3 hybrid?
It's KO3 housing, but then it's got KO4 internals inside of it.
Okay,
so
yeah.
And the bearings and whatnot, they're all basically KO4.
So yeah, so basically KO4 in the almost.
Basically KO4, but just in the smaller housing to make it fit.
Yeah.
Then that's mounted onto a oversized turbo intake pipe from Creation Motorsport.
Okay, yeah.
And then Bosch 550cc injectors, that's fueling, and then APS fuel pump, that's the in-tank one.
Yeah.
3-inch MAF, and then short shifter, forged front line intercooler, forged dump valve, PD160 intake, Rame induction kit, and then just the normal 1.8 turbo deletes.
But yours running what, 300 horsepower did you say?
Capped.
Crazy, wait, capped?
Capped, yeah, because my rods ain't done, so my engine ain't forged. So once my engine is forged, then...
Okay, so your engine's getting forged, that's plans for
hopefully
future.
I'm just saving up at the moment. Once I've got enough money, it's about 1,300 quid from Devil Developments, they've said it.
Damn.
So once they've got that, then I can just send it.
It's going to be mad. So you so basically we're going to have you back on here afterwards, when it's done again.
340 to 380ish, that's what they predict.
Oh damn, that's going to be crazy. You can tell the race is going to be fast.
This is enough for me though. Just to protect it, obviously I'll forge it, but
yeah.
That's it.
Okay, that's sick then. Okay, you might as well, we'll get into the drive then. Yeah, most stage 3 cars, they're usually like crazy on the
Like I wanted it still to be like drivable. Like I could start it up in the morning, doesn't matter what time it is, I won't wake up the neighbours kind of
yeah, exactly.
Like even if it's a cold start.
And you want to like daily it still?
Daily as well.
Have you got any like switchable maps or anything, or is it just 300?
You got like pops and bangs map, but it's like too much. Then it kicks in around about 3.5.
Oh,
that's when the boost kicks in and it just keeps popping. And it's
the main question is it going to hook up?
Yeah, I doubt it.
Just that little bit and it throws you in, didn't even hook up. Not even gripping at all. I'm gonna have to react to this. They're right here.
Right.
Yeah. The way it pops. What the hell, man?
Third and fourth is the best, but second to third is still alright.
That's crazy.
You just got to be committed to it. Even then I was a bit sketchy because I don't know the road.
Yeah.
Four has to be like.
It's just like amazing me in every way.
It's one of those that you hardly see this car about, and when people do see it, they're like, "Oh, it's just a normal line M3 or a normal Polo."
Yeah.
You don't have to, oh yeah, this is actually pushing that kind of car.
When you sit in it, it's just something else, man. See, your pops are good as well. They're not like over the top. They're the crazy bangs you hear sometimes. They're like the nice
ones. Or if it
people.
kicks in too early, like if I put the switchable map on,
yeah,
it just start kicking in way too early.
You really do feel everything under the car, man. You hear it all. Throws you back, man, the way it goes.
It just gets too much.
Yeah.
I like it.
I fully understand, man. That's
If it was
crazy.
just like once or twice, that's it. If it just keeps on going, it's like,
Yeah.
I want it to end now.
You want that just like an odd few and then that's it.
That's it.
Yeah. To be fair, surprisingly, even though it's not hooking up, it's surprisingly like tame.
Yeah.
It's not like all
as
over the place.
as soon as it gets like the top end of the
Left, yeah.
boost, then it's alright. Like when it hits like 17, 18 psi,
Yeah.
then it just hooks up. But the initial bit of getting to that, no way.
We know some like crazy high boost cars are like the steering is
Yeah.
all over the place, you're fighting it. This isn't too bad, actually. It's kind of like tame.
And also it's like boost by gear. So like
okay.
second, third and fourth is perfectly fine. Second is a bit more.
Don't let it fully sense.
Yeah.
This thing flies, man. Doesn't hook up, man.
respect it. That's the thing I'm saying.
This car just kept me speechless this whole time, man. And just as you were gaining the speed, it doesn't even let off. Like the power doesn't even go.
That's what I'm saying. Like DSGs and stuff, like it would still keep up with the map.
Yeah,
Whereas
man.
before it's just like I was losing power when they were changing.
And the flat foot shifts.
Yeah, that makes the biggest difference.
Yeah, man. And it sounds so sick.
Yeah.
The needle yet, it just kept going.
I don't know if the speed went up here.
Yeah, I know, that's the only issue here.
It's normally pretty right here.
It hooks up, but like, it feels like grippy, you know.
Yeah, but it's just spinning.
It's just spinning, I'm saying, like, as you're turning though, like, it's the whole car. But yeah, wheel spin wise, you're getting spinning like, hold still, it's crazy. Alright, so that's it then for today. That is the Stage 3 Polo GTI, pushing like 300 horsepower, something crazy. It's just that car, I don't know how to explain it, that car was just like one really good build. And that's it for today then, we're back in the Golf. It was one crazy experience, that car was. It was so sick. That Stage 3 Polo GTI it was crazy, man. It was unbelievable. I want to give a big shout out to Nim for coming down. I'll link his socials down below, like his Instagram and everything. You guys can drop him a follow, check him out, see everything there. He did say he's going past like 300 horsepower, he's going to go to 340 or something, he's saying, or maybe even more than that. So if you do want to stay updated on his build, just check out his Instagram, stay updated with that. So yeah, if you guys want to get your cars on the channel, or maybe you want to get like, I don't know, specific people you want me to get on the channel, just comment down below, let me know what you guys thought of this whole video overall anyway, because it's the first time doing one of these. But yeah, that's it then for today. Remember to like, comment down below, and subscribe for more content like this and more like normal car content, Golf stuff, other crazy build stuff, anything. And yeah, thanks for watching.